Advertise on the go with magnetic vehicle signs. Car magnets are a flexible and effective way to promote your business without a permanent fixture to your vehicle. Get a chance to be seen by thousands of potential customers a day just by driving around the town. Place magnets on your car or truck to transform your vehicle into a mobile billboard. Let me show you how to create magnetic vehicle signs. Create your design with the design software and print on a printable vinyl using an eco-solvent printer. Once you're done printing, make sure you have a squeegee, soft cloth, water and soap, and DecorGraffs non-printable magnetic sheet or the Power Mag. Please take note that the standard thickness for an outdoor magnet is 30 mil. It is durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions, but thin enough to be cut with a pair of scissors or a flatbed cutter. Once you're done printing, spray mixture of water and soap on Power Mag. Peel off the back liner of the vinyl sticker, align and position the vinyl, and gently stick on the Power Mag. The process using this method requires a squeegee. The squeegee allows you to remove the water between the adhesive and Power Mag. Squeegee from left to right, then up and down to get the best result. Having magnetic vehicle signs will last for years, so it's very low cost per impression when it comes to advertising. Plus, their ability to be easily transferred from one vehicle to another makes them the best choice. Let it dry for 5 minutes and cut using a scissor or a flatbed cutter and you're done. Why not consider starting your own business by selling magnetic vehicle signs or create one for your business? Join the list of DecorGraffs' awesome and happy customers. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraff.com.